recording. So e-stop test.
But then maybe we need to set the time for better recording. So it's not
Yeah,
like
but
5 seconds.
Well, it's in reverse now, is it?
Look. Okay. Hit E. Make it stop, yes. And then it, that's what it is. That's actually not bad.
Pretty good.
We can, there's not much energy in it now, but when you have this whole thing moving.
Let's do a movement stop recording.
Okay. Well, this is not, well, this is the braking
I'll
mode,
just move
right?
it. I'll just move it back and we stop it in front. Oh, okay. You go stand over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some tracking issue. Okay, braking, take one.
Stand down the way.
I'll jump. Yeah. Okay.
Zeg dan nu maar.
Ja?
This is full e-stop test.
Full e-stop test. E-stop.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared. Ooh. Is it still running?
Okay.
Yeah, it's the one.